Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Mayank and I like to do luxury unboxings, shopping vlogs, men's fashion, jewelry, and women's too. Bags, shoes, all that kind of stuff. So is that something you're interested in? Please hit the subscribe and like follow button. And today I'm going to be doing a couple of unboxings. I did a shopping vlog from the stores and then these are the unboxings. So I got some Goyard, Chanel, and Hermes to unbox. So without further ado, let's just get right into it because you guys know I talk way too much. And so let's start. So we're gonna start with, what should we start with? I just do that really fast. I actually just wanted to pick this one because I'm very excited about this one. We got the little Goyard bag, tape, and they were out of ribbons today. I know. I was like, so sorry, we're out of ribbons. Well, actually, the guy actually told someone else. My essay didn't say anything about it because she knows that I go there so often that I probably don't even care. Hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna tear it. Oh, okay. I got a cute little new addition to my collection. I'm very excited about this because it's small and compact, but functional, highly functional, and in a different color. So I hope you guys like it. Here we go. So it comes wrapped in our bestie yellow friendy. Here we go. Oh, see? Brown sticker here, but yellow sticker here. And this is what they got. It looks really small, but it's actually really big. Well, it's actually not big. So here's the bag. Whoa. Actually, so they just had price increases in January. I don't know if I've mentioned that before, but like,
this actually went down in price, which is really exciting because a lot of things
went up. Their tote went up. Most of the totes went up. A lot of that stuff went up. But this little puppy and some of the card holders went down. The wallets went down. So I think a lot of the SLG, like the small leather goods, went down. Tied it up all pretty. And this one, I'm also really excited because she showed me 3 different colors, and this one was the only one that was like brand new, like brand new. And the reveal, voila! Oh, how cute is that? You guys see it? It's the Plumet. So it's basically like a wallet on chain. So there it is, and it's still got the sticker on here, which I love. So it's got a button, front closure, opens up, got the canvas inside. So it's the navy blue goyardine. It's got these 2 hooks here, which we'll get into a sec for the strap. It opens up in a flap, and then there's a back pocket here for like cards and stuff, and then also like a little, you can put like credit cards in right here. So like you can put, it's like a bigger compartment there, and then cards here, and actually like opens up quite large. You see that? It gets pretty big. Like you can fit a lot in here. There's basically 3 parts to it. Again, we have the back card holder part right there. I mean back pocket card holder, middle zippy section. So you can put, whatever your little zips and stuff in there. And then there's a front big pocket as well. Take that. So there's the strap and the Goyard info stuff. So there's a front pocket here as well with another card holder, which I think this is like an updated. I don't remember it having all this. It's beautiful. And then there's a back pocket for your like phone or whatever. And here's the little taggy. I mean, this is the, so yeah, so you can literally like, you can carry it like a clutch. I mean, this is a really versatile bag. This is like Chanel's wallet on chain. It's literally a wallet on chain. You can carry it like a clutch, right? And that going out, evening, night bag, blah, 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 all that beauties. And then if you want, here's the strap. So it's a lovely leather strap. It's thin, but it's lovely. And it's got these buttons here, little, lock buttons in here. So you just tie it in on either side. Saucy. Tie it in and then button it. And then you tie it in and button it. Really exciting stuff. Talk amongst yourselves, guys, while I do this.
just talk amongst yourselves for a second.
Oh, that hole is so tight. Sorry. Obviously you can wear it as like a shoulder. That's what it looks like against my body. But you can also definitely easily wear it crossbody. It sits kind of low when it's crossbody, and the strap is not adjustable, so that's where it's gonna sit. I'm 5'10", 130 pounds, male identifying. And then it snaps closed, but yeah, it's so, guys, and for the price point, I mean, I'm gonna bring it up close so you can see it a little better. Here it is up close. Got the beautiful navy. The light's not really getting it, but beautiful navy goyardine, which isn't a common color that you see. So these are the straps. Once again, you can take them off and on, but they kind of hook in with these little buttons. And this is the beautiful strap. It's stitched everywhere, stitching through the whole thing. Hand stitches, and it's all like so even and perfect. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Tell me what you think. I would love to hear comments. Your thoughts in the comments below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you want it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you want it? Do you made it? Do you rate it? Do you fade it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you want it? Do you don't care? I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break and then we're gonna some more unboxings. Yay!